Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I'm going to share with you another nail polish of the week color that I've been loving lately. But first up, on my right hand I still had that perfect orange gel polish by Madam Glam, and on my left hand I'm starting off with Clean Nails and a base coat by Essence. It's totally up to you what base coat you want to use. I just usually go for the ones by Essence because that is my favorite brand as far as base coat goes. I really love their base coats and they actually work really nicely and are really affordable as well. Then again, Essence is really good in having cruelty-free items, like totally vegan items. I really love that about it, and it's really affordable. So yeah, what else could you possibly wish for as far as nail polishes and cosmetics go? I think it's a really neat brand. I know it isn't perfectly or really easily to get by worldwide, but I do know that they are sold in Europe, they are sold in Africa as well, and I have also seen Essence and Catrice in Asia as well as the United States, but I'm not sure if every single country or like state will actually sell it in their drugstores, but maybe you can get it online. So after your base coat is fully dry, you want to go in with your beautiful color, and the one I'm using today is by Essence. This one is called 39 Mermaid Tails, and this one is from the Shine Last and Go collection. It does say it is a gel nail polish, but trust me, it is a regular nail polish. You don't have to cure this in LED or UV. And this color is just stunning. It is a beautiful metallic-y blue shade, and it actually really does remind me of oceans and mermaids, and just, oh, I love it. I love it so much. It's really gorgeous. And these polishes from the Shine Last and Go collection actually are pretty opaque in a first layer, but because this is a metallic, I did needed a second coat to make it fully opaque, just to make sure that my natural nail tip wouldn't be showing, like the smile line as you can see here. But these polishes really dry quickly, so that is a really big plus in my opinion, because who wants to wait an eternity for your nail polishes to be completely dry? Like, not me at least. But you just want to go in with your first layer, and because it is also a metallic polish, those used to dry or tend to dry really fast as well. So the entire collection dries fast, but metallic polishes dry fast as well, so you really don't have to wait a long time before you can go in with your second layer, especially if you work with thin layers like I do. I get asked quite a lot why I work with thin layers, and if it wouldn't be like way faster to just apply one thick layer. But as you guys know, the thicker the layer, the longer it will take to dry. So just to prevent your nails from, or at least your manicure from being damaged, just bumping into everything, just apply thin coats. It's like faster and you won't have any like dents or crinkles in your nail polish. So after that first coat is completely dry, it took about like 2 minutes or something like that. You could actually go in with your first fingernail again once you have done all 5 fingers. Like, that's how fast it actually dries. So you really don't have to wait a long time. And of course, always remember to cap off the edges and the sidewalls if you have longer nails like I do. The reason why I do so is just to make sure that my manicure will stay put perfectly for a longer period of time without any chipping or tip wear. And yeah, I really love this color. I think the shimmer is really nice. It's kind of like a teal-ish kind of color. It is quite blue, but I feel like there is some green in there as well. But I think it's also something like the way you look at it, and everyone might see or think of it as a little bit of a different color. That's like the cool thing about colors. Like, these saying beauty is in the eye of the beholder really like speaks for colors like these, or for any color in particular, because everybody sees it a different way. And I think that's really cool. And yeah, it's just a really beautiful color, and as you can see, 2 layers is completely opaque. Then once that is fully dry, you want to go in with your top coat. I'm using the Quick Dry and High Shine by Catrice. This one, I don't know if it is still available, but I have like a ton of base and top coats that I really want to use up before I go into any others. But I do think it is still available, but the packaging is a little bit different. It might be in a square bottle instead of a round one. But again, Catrice is my favorite brand when it comes to top coats. They have a really nice like formula. They aren't super thick as some other top coats are, and they do dry pretty quickly as well, and they don't drag your nail polish. Sometimes, especially if you do stamping designs or something, it can really drag the polish across the entire finger or your nail, and your design will be like messed up. But the top coats by Catrice I have no issues with at all, and again, they are really affordable. But this was already my new nail polish of the week video. Do let me know what you think about this essence color. Once again, this one is called 39 Mermaid Tails. I really love it. The shimmer is gorgeous. It is metallic, so you either love it or hate it, but I love it. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.